Yeah, we back with another vlog, man. I want to talk about getting money, man. Working, crypto. Like, it's money out here, man. There's money out here, man. Investments, crypto, this shit real. I funked the bag with $60,000. I could have had 60K, y'all. I swear to God, I got receipts. Like in 2020. I made 5K in November 2021. It's money out here. Nakamoto Games is the #1 project right now. I'm going to do a video explaining all that in detail. Like the video, subscribe. Man, Telcoin too, though. Telcoin is my retirement plan for like the next 5 to 10 years. But Nakamoto Games, the next 2 or 3 years, oh yeah. We get money, baby. Blockchain gaming, the crypto gaming, that's the new wave. If you didn't know, Activision and Square Enix is investing in the crypto gaming. Also, NFTs, yes, that's dealing with gaming too. So, yeah, man, I'm about to get rich, bro. 100K. I know a friend who just made 140, but he lost it on that Luna crash. Shit wild though, but stay tuned, tap in, man, get it tuned. 7:30 minute gaming hero. Like the video, subscribe. I'm out.